Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 sounds like something's stuck inside, it could be a sign that the motor is failing or obstructed. This noise often indicates that debris has entered the motor compartment, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. Ignoring this issue may result in a complete motor failure, leaving your vacuum unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor compatible with the Dyson SV14, and possibly some tweezers for removing small debris. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged for safety. Start by removing the dust container and the filter. Next, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum. These are usually covered with a plastic panel. Gently pry off this panel using your flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor assembly. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Carefully lift the motor out of its housing. At this point, check for any debris that may be causing the noise. If you find any, remove it with your tweezers. When you have cleared the area, take your new motor and align it correctly in the housing. Make sure all connectors and cables are properly seated before securing the motor back in place. Replace the screws in the reverse order and ensure they are tightened without overdoing it, as this could damage the threads. To reassemble, snap the plastic panel back into position and reinsert the dust container and filter. Once everything is back together, plug in your Dyson SV14 and turn it on to check if the noise has stopped. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the filters and empty the dust container after each use. Also, be mindful of the surfaces you vacuum to avoid picking up large debris that could damage the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.